Igbe.
Time no day, men, how are you? Come see, no be play. This our flatmate work. We need to review them because na so for airport some weeks ago, some families gathered and just say, "Oh, honorable!" They snap picture, honorable. They shout for the whole airport, honorable. I just noticed some Hausa men. We are better than they look me. You know where person speak language, you know they hear the language, but you go no say that they talk about you. One day pointed that guy, Kashi. I just know say they ask and say, this honorable, you don't see him for house before. Now me go apologize, so say, sir, it's not original honorable before problem happen. Men, please, I came for you. This is a very bad time to be a man. With everything where they happen. People don't they come out now, oh, he do this, he do that. So to even me, I had to start calling some people. Hello? That thing will happen last year. She be in your mind. No, come out to. Because men too, we need to behave ourselves. We not the rest. Now for Lagos, where you go see married men, they toast babe. Babe go they ask him, are you married? He go say, a little bit. What is a little bit about? If they toast babe, babe don't ask him, are you married? Well, it depends on how you look at it. Waiting with they look. And waiting they shock me, be say, no beside the judge now, make una they carry una baby, we know they quarrel. But una go come they take this side chick business very serious. Side chick too, una too not the rest. Side chick they quarrel person. Say you're cheating on me. Yeah? Side chick they claim right, so the only person you're allowed to cheat on me is your wife. If not, no other person. They don't hold territory for your hand. Married men too, not the rest. We there where we drink beer with our guys. Somebody don't come. One of our guys, he begin share material to 2 yards. We say, what are you sharing material for? He say, my girl, Papa die. We say, my girl as a madam. He say, no, Amarachi. Oh. Our Papa died, so they go Ugwashuku for burial. Now only one question, I say, but no vessel. When we saw this material up and down, Congo, Ugwashuku, waiting then go ride for our canopy. Friends of Maga, of these men will not they rest at all. And you know say men, as they follow women like that, they get their different specifications. You understand? That's why if you want to cheat, you cheat very well. You understand? Like you see people like E-Money, their level. Now them Oprah Winfrey. Then they follow. That type, your wife go they proud of you. I they tell you now, my wife don't see my phone now. When she see, hello baby, she they holla. Who is sending you message? You're cheating on me. By the time she open, Taraji Henson. And she they say, oh, Baba, you they cheat. You they cheat for me. What is what doing is what doing well. You must follow what. I know say as some people like fine girls, now so some people like a particular career. You get some men, they like bankers. You get some men, they like lawyers. You get some men, not only actors and they follow. Now so some people too, they like ushers. Whether not for church or for wedding, they need to take IC ushers. You get some men, they like sales girl for filling station. Then go tell you, say there's a way she hold that pump. When she hold that pump like this, it's doing me as if she's holding me like this. It's making me feel like the nose. You understand? Now so I get one guy too, he like waiters. People when they sell food or drink, he love them. What do they do once he go beer parlor? As he sit down, once waiter way like come, he goes, how are you? When are you closing? Once she said 2 a.m., from that 10 o'clock we don't enter, he go begin drink beer. Oh, collect small pepper soup, collect small kobe. Once 2 knock, as he get the close, he follow the girl close. The day God punish him, he go fast food. One buy snacks for his children. As he reach, give me 4 meat pie. Who they sell meat pie? She turn go the showcase. Waiting my guy, behold. As she come, he say, when do you close? He says 7:30. This is all they talk now to 11. Now he sit down for fast food. Chop meat pie, 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 chop meat pie. Chop moi moi, 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 chop moi moi. Drink yogurt, drink yogurt, drink yogurt, drink yogurt. He look what? 12:15. He chop scotch egg, scotch egg, scotch egg. Now the manager can say, my brother, which person number you want before you die for here? We need to calm down. And you know, we go just rush it in quick. How will you know? Everybody they commend the Super Eagles. Me too, I go follow. I bet I'm gonna clap for that. It's not easy. 24 nations, you carry third. Some of you in your career, you have never come third in anything. Stop shouting at them. It's not easy. To run from one end of the field, come back. It's not easy. Una, small, 3 minutes. Whoa. Now you go to there. Can I drink water, please? Can I drink water? So cut them some slack, man. Then they try. You know? The only, at least, one thing what they do for me, for the first time in a long time, they get their 6 points immediately. Win first match, win second match. They sure of next round. They no stress us mathematical stress. Where they say the women, they hang. So then when they watch game against Thailand, we can't turn Thailand supporters. No be play for office, so they watch the team. If like say they score Thailand, yeah, people shout, somebody they shout, they don't score us, who be us? We don't turn Thailand. Meanwhile, we they pray make Thailand lose. People, now they are, you know, say this Nigeria, now we watch, this una football share, una they do like say, no, una worship God for this country. You go see we are guests. They speak in tongues for another people game. Father, Lord, let them score, let them not score, let them score, let them not score. Wait, now you they play the ball. You get one under 17 match, female World Cup, those like some years ago now. The game tough. They play with France or Germany. Last, our Falconets win. Where then they win, coach, they clap for them for field. Nice job, guys, nice job, guys. Now I want the card. Coach, no be nice job, now God. Oh. They know how far. For at least they save us before. Waiting if I don't do nana, Super Eagles for win Guinea. Condro, who was that second people now? Burundi. Then everybody go come carry their masset. So now, if Cote d'Ivoire lose 3-2 to Senegal, hoping that Tanzania will score 4, that will put us on goal advantage of +6, and the only way for us to qualify is Egypt beat Algeria 12-0. Who will score? But they try, I tell you, they press me steady. The only thing will give me small concern. Now say, when they win the World Cup, or if they would have won the World Cup, or rather the Nations Cup, who for speak for Super Eagles? Nadia, I've been the worry. But the boys, when I say Mikel na captain, Musa na captain, I say, okay, the men, they yarn. Because 2013, when we win our last winning, Super Sports, I don't know who sent them message. Yobo they there. Musa been there that squad that time. Onazi all of them they go meet Emmanuel Emenike. So what can you say about the victory of the Super Eagles? We thank God. Even though many people back home didn't believe us, we give glory to God. Instead of the Super Sport girl to know say Nadia in power rich, she collect the mic. So what does this mean for the development of soccer and sports in Nigeria, especially in the grassroots areas, looking forward that the development and the economic GDP will stand pari passu and vice versa? So all the circumstances as it's putting Nigeria and the Naira at the top value, making sure that the dollar and the pound balance together with the euro, seeing that foreign transfer of the players will attract forex exchange and increase the value of the Naira. In everything in life, we just thank God. God bless you, ladies and gentlemen. Good night.
Igbe.